Previously on Vivian Crazy Vlogs.
Missing someone.
Hey guys, so my hair is a mess because it's so windy outside. I forgot my car mount for my iPhone, so I have to hold it. So today is Friday, first week of school, and I'm currently on my way to East Kelly. Sorry, East Kelly, I think that's what it's called. What are you driving, fam? She missed her way. You see your life? You are driving like an idiot. Do you see your life? Like she's making. I also wanted to talk about why I haven't vlogged in a minute, and that is because I broke my lens on the 30th of December. That sent me back a little bit, but the good news is I ordered a new one last week, so yay, I'm going to get back to vlogging. Guys, I'm wearing my glasses today. Does that look weird? On a normal day I wear my contacts. If you don't know, I wear contacts because your girl is legally blind. Escala is such a beautiful place, guys. Like, it's so serene. The roads are free. It's not a bad place, I would say. I'll see you guys when we get to her place because I'm just rambling and chatting shit. So let me save you guys the blabbing, and I'll see you guys when we get to her house. Guys, it's so windy. We just got to my friend's place. Oh, it has like a mirror. It's so cute. Just open the door. This idiot left me. Oh, guys, can you see the mirror? It's so cute. They have a pool. Let me show you. I'm using my iPhone, which sucks. But guys, can you see the pool? So nice. So guys, this is her place, but she doesn't want me to show you, so I'm going to respect her and not show you. I'm just going to respect her and just, you know, just twirl around the room. That likes the job actually. Why serious? Wow. Wow. This is good. Wow. I drink lemonade out of lemons and slay harder than ever. She can't even spell lemonade. I swear that was one. Bitches drink lemonade, but they can't even spell it. It's the people that wrote it. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. Don't even try it. I drink lemon out of my lemons and slay harder than ever. Ooh. Can I see her daughter Peyton? So cute. Why would you have chocolate and leave the wrapper here? What the hell? It's not funny. Guys, just look at this madness. Laziness. See, I want a little rubbish here. What rubbish is this? I see you, right? Yes, I want a little rubbish. This plain rubbish. Ugh. I want a little nonsense. Bobo nonsense, yeah. Bobo nonsense. I want rubbish. I want nonsense. I want rubbish. Oh, don't be silly, my friend. You guys, Vivian said she's dieting and she's eating chocolate. I don't give a damn. My diet is on break today. Don't stress me, yo. She's eating all the chocolates. This girl is stressing me out. Like, I don't know how you come to visit somebody. She doesn't want to cook for you. She's telling you to cut and she will cook. Who are the we? I mean, who is this? You don't let me go, I beg.
Yeah, sorry. This thing will drag you back.
Don't piss me off. I won't even lie. Yes, her place is nice. But then so...
Hey.
Oh! No. Like, can you see it? God, vlogging with this iPhone is so annoying. But yeah, I really love this copper bag. And she just gave me one. Oh, thanks. Thanks. Ooh. Oh. She just gave me popcorn as well. Thanks. Guys, I'm on a diet too.
Someone that doesn't what is it chocolate?
Yeah, like I'm drinking a smoothie, but like what chocolate ain't gonna hurt you though. You ain't gonna get the fuck out, guys.
Like me, you know.
And it's just like a fun size. It's not like.
Don't give excuses.
Guys, I'm done with my chocolate, so it's back to my smoothie. Like fit fam. Be fit, guys. Don't eat chocolate. It's not good. Don't be like her. Like don't be like her. You know, don't be like me. Yeah, don't be like her. Like make sure you like stick to your plan.
Several days later.
Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. You guys, I haven't vlogged in so long. I haven't even graduated and I'm already dealing with like postgraduate stress and depression. I just got back from class. It is almost 11:30. I had an 8:30 a.m. class, so I didn't have time to like do my makeup or anything. I just woke up, took a bath, brushed my teeth, dressed up, put on my wig and then rushed to class. And I don't really have much I'm doing, but a friend of mine is leaving on Sunday, so like we're doing like a send forth type chill type thing. I'm gonna go for that in the evening. I have a 2-hour break and then I have another class at 1:30, and then I have a client coming in at 3 o'clock for a full face beat for her birthday, and then when I'm done with that I get to prepare for the send forth. I wanted to share something with you guys. So I got a package from Fashion Nova. Like I ordered something from Fashion Nova, and I picked it up today and it is right here. So many of you guys ask me if Fashion Nova delivers here, like so many of you guys in Cyprus, like you guys message me, and the answer is yes, because as you can see I just picked up my package. When it comes to address, if you're not so sure of the address to put, just go to the school's post office in Sabanji and just get their address, post office, their postcode, everything, and just put it in, and that's pretty much it. Like it's really easy, like it's not that hard. But I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to let you guys know what I bought. So if you're interested to see that, then keep on watching. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, it's not your turn. Hey. Are you guys ready? Cut it. Way too high, you need to okay, while I show you guys what I got, I'm gonna put a picture of what it looks like on the website so you guys can see what I got. So the first thing I got is a Lorette jacket, and I got it in a size large. If you're in Cyprus, you know it's very difficult to get stylish bras here. Like, their bras are very like random and very like plain, and you know sometimes they don't fit. They're not like good quality. So most times I tend to order my bras from ASOS, or like when I travel back home I shop for bras, and then yeah, so that's how I get my bras. So unfortunate. But I saw these ones on Fashion Nova and I decided to just try it, and I got the Simply You bra in the color black, and I got a 36D. And see, this is what it looks like right here, and this is what the backpack looks like. I feel like the bras come smaller than the actual size. It says a 36D, so I have to try it and see if it fits. The thing I got is called Pull Them Close Invisible bra in the color black, but they sent me nude though, so I'm going to message them. Fashion Nova, why? Final sale. It's written a double D. That's number one, which I'm not so mad about. As you guys can see, it says black here, but can Fashion Nova please explain to me why it's saying nude here, guys? Like, and then the last thing I got is called Calling All Corduroy hat. What name is that? I'm also going to insert what it looks like by the side of the screen so you guys can see for yourself. But I'm not mad at this. I'll try and wear it on my very big head. Guys, if you don't know, my head is so big. I mean, it's not like so big. But anyway, let me try them on now and I will be back.
A few moments later.
I want it to be fitted, so I'm going to have to punch in another opening just around here. So it will be like this, so it can be like this. I can always do this if I want to like take pictures. And okay. This was the look I was going for. Update on the bras, guys. So this one is good. I mean, it ran a bit small, but just a bit. Like, it's something I would still wear. But this thing is a waste of your money. If you have small boobs, then yes, you can go for this. But if you do not have small boobs, like, don't waste your money. Like, don't just waste your money. But anyway, let me just change to my other outfits now. Yeah, back to my old outfit. So yeah, that concludes my mini haul of like the things I got. So now I'm just going to eat. It's almost time for my next class, and then go to class, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, can you imagine that my class got cancelled? I had a class from 1:30 to 2:30, and I didn't want to come because like I was just like, I doubt this class is going to hold because it's like a lab session. So I'm like, I doubt this class is going to hold. Should I go? Should I not go? Only for me to come and then find out that it is cancelled. I'm so pissed. Anyway, let me tell you guys what I'm about to do. Okay. Today I'm going to be making my own DIY bounty bars. I've not had chocolate in so long, so I'm going to make DIY bounty bars. So I have some of the ingredients I need at home, but then I'm going to get the remaining stuff. This is my first time making it, so I'm going to show you guys the process, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it turns out nice. Else we're going to eat it like that because my money cannot waste. Oh, cool. Yeah, let's go. Bye.
Oh nana, oh nana, be cool, and there we go. What the? Fresh on the beat. Guess what it's called? What's called?
Damn. So I just got back from getting all the things I need, and my client is supposed to be here any minute from now, so we would set to the bounty part later. I'll probably film me doing her makeup, I don't know, but we'll see. I'll catch you guys later.
A few moments later.
And so the last time I checked in with you guys, I told you guys that I was about to do my client's makeup, so I'm just going to insert the clip here of the after look.
Wow! Oh my god! Is this me?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. So right now we're about to start the fun stuff. I have all the things I need, so I'm just going to flip my camera and show you guys what I'm working with and get to it. So we have the milk chocolate that we're going to be using. I don't know if this is enough. And then we have our desiccated coconut. I got this big one and I got this small ones. Yeah, I have my baking paper and I have my condensed milk.
Broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
So this is what it looks like.
Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
One eternity later.
I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, yesterday night, guys, like I had a lot to drink. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So till I see you guys again, take care and goodbye. Cheers.